Alrighty. What is up, everybody? Got the thumbnail?
Yep.
Alright, cool. You guys understand. These YouTube algorithms are trash, so I didn't actually try to fall off a cliff. You're not supposed to eat these.
Yummy.
What does it taste like? Please describe. Wow. Wow, isn't this? What made you think it was a good idea to climb the tree, Don?
Pretty good view up here, though.
Yeah, honestly, that's a pretty nice hike. It's really easy to hike. Highly recommend it. It's about, what would you say, hour and a half outside of Fairbanks? Maybe an hour?
Yeah.
I mean, it depends how icy the roads are. So. Found a pumpkin. Left a pumpkin on top of one of the granite tours. We'll show you the footage on our drone. Well, I will say this drone's practically almost indestructible. I just crashed it into a rock and I just chipped up the propellers. I got really lucky, like really lucky.
I thought you got a close up on it. Kind of hard to focus. Yeah, it's not focusing, but you can kind of see it right there. At least we got footage of it.
Whew, I am lucky.
So we wouldn't be able to do this if we weren't sponsored by Vol. All you have to do is just make it so it's cold, which it's cold outside. You just rub it on your face, and
5 seconds later.
5 seconds later.
Oh wow!
Oh,
look at that nice.
Look at
facial hair.
that. See, it's green, but that's only because the ball is green. So you can make it red. I mean, you know, you'd be a hipster nowadays. That's the thing. There. Alright, so in today's video, we're actually sponsored by Dominic's rollerball cube. So all you have to do is, it's for the mustache or beard. So all you have to do is just slowly, you know, get a close up. Yeah, you just slowly rub it in, and then.
Rub it back here by your sideburns too.
Oh yeah, dude, chicks love that shit. Look at that. Okay, and then.
Look at this tree. It looks really cool. Oh wow, that's like instant results. Look at that. Nice.
I mean,
always
look on the bright side of life.
Hey, can I get a picture of you, man?